Hi, Al.
What's this?
What you doing?
What's this?
It's an Akatsuki shoe.
What hell is a Katsuki?
Haven't you watched the series Naruto?
No, what's that? Oh my god, you have a candy here!
I have a candy there. Al is dying.
I'm dying!
Well, this is my messy room. Al has dropped his candy.
The candy.
This is my room. It's very boring. Why did you throw the candy at me? This is my Akatsuki robe. And she touched my ass. Well. So, Al, what you doing on the floor?
Nothing.
Really?
Yeah, I don't do anything. What should I do? I rock. You're dead, Kira!
Kira is down.
Kira is down! Whoa!
Are you gonna eat that candy? Eat it!
Why? How old is it?
I don't know, just eat it.
I think your feet have been on it.
I don't think so.
I can get AIDS by this.
Yeah, you can get AIDS by it. Just eat it.
No. I love sugar, but not that much. Oh my god, El's throwing down the candy.
Yeah, he's turning candy down. Is he sick?
Candy.
Yeah.
Okay, go to the rest of the room.
Well, this room is boring. There's nothing much to see.
Look, it's
Yeah. Al likes my old Edward poster that I'm supposed to put down, but I haven't done it. Here's some movie tickets. Here's me. Al is watching my bookshelf. Do you see something interesting?
Yes.
He's seeing himself. I have Ergo Proxy.
You do? Where?
Teddy Bear. There.
Oh, and I watch it.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, look, here's the candy thing.
My Kakashi pillow. Okay. Yeah, that's basically Light's room. Or, yeah, Light's room. Stay tuned for more videos. Say bye.
Bye bye. Can we have sex now?
Okay, fine.
Yay!